Hi guys, welcome back to channel. On this section, we are going to discuss how to book appointment for Switzerland visa from India. For the first step, we have to reach on official website of VFS and we have to book the appointment. For the booking appointment, we have to create login ID and password. Then we can access further. So after creating login ID, then we can access the application for the booking appointment. So this is after login, we will reach the appointment portal, and here we have to select the sender based on your nearest location. So Embassy of Switzerland in New Delhi, that is embassy appointment. Rest all are VFS center appointment. And select here for your nearest location. So I'm just here selecting one random location just for reference, and here choose visa subclass based on what is your purpose of visit. If it's tourism or business or a student, you have to select as per your, and select here and continue. And now we are reaching the section for filling our details like personal details, passport number, contact number, email ID, and address. After filling all detail, then we will reach this section, and you can see here appointment fee 2690. So this appointment fee we have to make now, and visa fee we have to make when going for appointment in VFS. That time we have to make the visa fee. Now you can see here we have to visa application form we have to fill it. So that is a mandatory for Switzerland. So we have to fill the application form the same time while booking appointment. Without filling the form, we cannot do further. So we have 15 minutes to fill the application. So you have to make sure all documents ready with you while booking appointment. So you have to enter all your information for the form for the application. So that is an important thing for Switzerland. You can see here there are 5 stage of process, total 6 stage of process. One is eligibility criteria, a passport detail, applicant details, travel details, accommodation details, additional details. This is similar like other Schengen visa, and for Switzerland we have to fill the time of a booking appointment. So mention all detail here, then you can do further detail. Like you can see here travel detail is coming, what is the purpose, and in purpose of stay, number of entry. And number of entry, normally you can mention single entry if you are traveling as a first time, and previously you already visited Schengen, then you can mention single multiple entry, then you have more chances to get it approved. And here you can see accommodation detail, and here we have to mention the stay. So if you're staying in hotel, you can mention here hotel information. So I'm just mentioning here random information. So you have to make sure while filling the application form, you have to make sure all details should be as per your documents and your supporting details. Additional detail, we have to enter some of the answers of the questions based on our profile, like who is bearing the expenses and what is the means of support, and our main country of destination and first point of entry in Schengen, and all details we have to mention here. Now this section we can able to submit the application, and after submission it will be or redirect the section of appointment. Now we can see here the application form status is completed, and from here we can edit and we can continue. Now we can see continue option is available, and this section we have to book the date and time and make the payment. So like that the process is going on. So make sure one thing, you have to, all details should be ready with you while booking appointment, because we have to fill the application, and 15 minutes available for filling application, otherwise it will be time out and we have to do again. Hope you guys understand about Switzerland visa, how to book the appointment and how to fill the application. Any question, any doubt, you can put on comment. If you are looking for assistance for Switzerland visa, you can contact us. We can help you with the reasonable charges. Thank you for watching. We'll see you another section. Thank you.